Hitch, stay with the truck. If it moves, follow it. Bousey's still inside. Frederick, we've got 5 guys with backpacks. We gotta stop them.
They're decoys, Ward. I repeat, they're decoys. They want to lead us away from the real threat.
Bousey reported to us this particular shell does not have the explosives.
The only one to worry about is the 5th one on the left. The only danger's the 5th one on the left. This is fucking insane. Glad you can make it. What a clusterfuck. The guy's going north. He's coming this way.
They're all splitting off. God damn it, I'm following the one from the south.